Yeah, breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. Breaking news. A 25-year-old man from Kingston, Jamaica, visiting New York, get copper. Imagine what's really going on with my Jamaica.
This is where you want to know something I represent for Deep Roots TV. This one is a bombshell. Check it out.
Big up yourself when you want to give thanks, Greetings, families and friends. A lot of people are wishing to go to America and different countries to make a better life. But here you have a 25-year-old man from Kingston, Jamaica, and he was shot and injured near Jamaica, Queens in New York. Yeah, in the United States early in the morning of May 4th, and he died. He has been identified as Kardell Lester, who was visiting the United States from Jamaica, according to media reports. Police from the 113 precincts respond to a 911 call. Man shot at 119 and 23rd in Linden Boulevard in St Albans after 1:30 a.m. on May 4th. Upon arriving, the law enforcement found Lester with a gunshot wound to the head. Emergency medical service respond to the crime scene and rushed the victim to Jamaica Hospital Medical Centre, where he died 2 days later. Homicide detectives from the 113 precincts are working to determine the motives and description of gunman. Police said, adding that there has been no arrest and that the investigation remains open. Ladies and gentlemen, another young Jamaican, just 25 years. Sure, he flew out to the land of opportunity. Didn't realize it was an opportunity to get one in his head. Jamaica, Queens, in New York. A Jamaican man, only 25 years old, ladies and gentlemen, went to foreign, the land of barren. Kardell Lester lost his life, ladies and gentlemen, a single gunshot wound to the head in Queens, New York. The rampant Jamaica, Queens. A wicked and Jamaica. Ladies and gentlemen, leave your comment on this one. What can we do as Jamaicans to make sure that we have a longer life no matter where we go? Because the people them are gunning for us, whether it's our own or whether it's other people. Ladies and gentlemen, a young man, 25 years old, Kardell Lester, visiting the United States of America, Jamaica, Queens, New York, one to the head. They say they brought him to the hospital and 2 days later, he was dead. Leave your comment on this one, ladies and gentlemen. Share the content for me. Subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed. Turn on your notification. Follow me on TikTok. Don't you flip-flop. More life and more joy and more happiness. You stay blessed.
Yeah, Ron Marley, Deep Roots TV. Listen up, Sid. Rastafari.
All right.